Have you ever wondered why some LinkedIn profiles attract more opportunities than others? Do you struggle to get noticed despite having the right qualifications and experience? How can you tailor your LinkedIn profile to be more appealing to potential employers or clients? In today's digital age, LinkedIn has become an essential platform for professionals to connect, network, and find job opportunities. But with over 700 million users as of 2022, standing out amongst the crowd is becoming increasingly challenging. A significant issue many face is having a profile that doesn't effectively showcase their skills, experiences, or uniqueness, leading to missed opportunities. If you think about it, LinkedIn is much like a digital marketplace where professionals are the product and their profiles are the packaging. If the packaging isn't captivating or doesn't clearly convey value, the product often gets overlooked. These strategies are specifically tailored to address the questions above and will transform your LinkedIn presence, allowing you to dominate your niche. Don't miss out on the key to unlocking limitless opportunities. Act fast, subscribe to this video, and master your LinkedIn game. 1. Optimize your profile picture and headline. The first impression is everything. Ensure your profile picture is professional, clear, and represents who you are. Your headline should not just mention your job title, but also highlight your skills or the value you bring. For example, instead of marketing manager, a more effective headline might be marketing manager, boosting ROI through data-driven strategies. 2. Craft a compelling summary. Your summary is a chance to tell your story. Talk about your professional journey, your passions, skills, and what makes you unique. Recent studies show that profiles with personalized summaries receive more views than those without. 3. Showcase your achievements. Don't be modest. Your LinkedIn is a platform to highlight your successes, projects, and milestones. If you increased sales by 30% in the last quarter, or led a successful team project, mention it. 4. Seek recommendations. Recommendations act as social proof. Ask colleagues, supervisors, or clients to write a recommendation for you. A 2021 survey showed that profiles with detailed recommendations are perceived as more trustworthy. 5. Engage with your network. Simply having a profile isn't enough. Engage by sharing articles, commenting on posts, or even publishing your own content. This increases your visibility and positions you as an active industry participant. 6. Use keywords strategically. Just like SEO for websites, using relevant keywords in your profile makes it easier for employers or clients searching for specific skills to find you. Research the most searched terms in your industry and integrate them organically into your profile. 7. Join relevant groups. LinkedIn groups are a great way to network with professionals in your field. Sharing your insights or asking questions in these groups can also position you as an industry thought leader. 8. Continuous learning and updating. The digital world is ever evolving, and so are industries. Participate in online courses often showcased on LinkedIn, and always update your profile to reflect any new skills or experiences. A 2022 report indicated that profiles updated every quarter received 40% more views than those updated annually. To truly shine on LinkedIn and boost your professional opportunities, it's crucial to see your profile as a dynamic digital CV that needs continuous updating and engagement. By optimizing visuals, crafting compelling narratives, showcasing achievements, and strategically using keywords and engagement techniques, you can stand out and attract the right opportunities. The essence is to be authentic, stay updated, and actively participate in the LinkedIn community. Your dream job or client is just a well-optimized profile away.